Field automation technicians works in environments where one small mistake can shut down an entire line. Today, we're covering the most common electrical control mistakes technicians make in the field and how to avoid them. These are not textbook errors. These are the real-world scenarios that cause downtime, damage equipment, and unnecessary troubleshooting. Mistake number 1. Not verifying power first. Before troubleshooting sensors, PLCs, or outputs, always verify the basics, such as incoming power, control voltage, and grounding. A common mistake many technicians make is skipping the basics. Always confirm the equipment actually has power before moving on to deeper troubleshooting. The key point of mistake number 1 is to start every troubleshooting session with checking for power and verifying polarity. Always make sure the secondary side of a transformer is grounded. Mistake number 2. Skipping the wiring diagram. Guessing isn't troubleshooting. Skipping the wiring diagram leads to mistakes, wrong connections, and wasted time, even if you think you know the system. Main insight of mistake number 2 is to trust the diagram more than your memory. Mistake number 3. Mixing up sourcing and sinking I/O. This is one of the most common automation technicians' mistake. A sensor may show voltage, but if the current path is wrong, the PLC input will never turn on. Sourcing and sinking determines how the current flows through the input card. Core message of mistake number 3. Always verify which component is providing the power and which component is receiving it. Mistake number 4. Not checking the return path. Technicians often check the hot wire, but forget the return path. A broken neutral, or DC negative, can make a circuit look energized, but completely non-functional. Make sure the power has a way out and a way back. In most circuits, that means checking line and neutral, not line and ground. Checking line to ground is only for fault testing, not normal circuit verification. Essential reminder for mistake number 4. For proper operation, a circuit requires a complete loop. Confirm continuity on both sides. Mistake number 5. Overlooking loose connections. Loose terminals create the most frustrating type of electrical problems, the ones that come and go. A machine may run perfectly during testing and then fail once it's vibrating or under real workload. Gently retightening each terminal during installation or maintenance can prevent these hidden issues and save hours of downtime later. The key lesson from mistake number 5 is simple: tighten, verify, and then re-verify every connection. Mistake number 6. Ignoring sensor alignment and mounting. Many sensors get replaced unnecessarily because no one checks their alignment, distance, or how securely they're mounted. Even a perfectly good sensor will stop working if it's positioned too far from its target, or slowly shakes out of place during operation. Mostly, electrical problems often start with mechanical issues. Primary note from mistake number 6. Verify sensor alignment, check sensing distance, and inspect mounting stability. Mistake number 7. Not labeling wires during repairs. Removing wires without labeling them is almost certain to cause problems later. You may feel confident you'll remember where everything goes, but once the pressure is on, those details disappear fast. Critical point from mistake number 7. Label first and disconnect second. Mistake number 8. Bypassing safety devices without documentation. There are times when a safety device must be bypassed for testing, but failing to record it or put it back the way it was is both unsafe and unprofessional. It endangers anyone working on the equipment and leaves you personally exposed if something goes wrong. Important highlight from mistake number 8. If you bypass it, restore it, and document it. Mistake number 9. Not testing outputs under load. An output can look perfect on a meter or indicate a light, yet fail the moment it has to drive a solenoid, a motor starter coil, a valve, a lamp, or any real device that draws current. When a device is under load, weak wiring, bad terminals, failing transistors, or undersized power supplies reveal themselves. Don't skip load testing, is the summary point from mistake number 9. Mistake number 10. Forgetting to check the simple stuff. Begin with fundamental checks, such as fuses, breakers, electrical connections, and sensor cleanliness. Skipping these steps often leads technicians to pursue unnecessary advanced diagnostics. Key understanding from mistake number 10. Always rule out the simple failures first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please let us know in the comments section below. Click the bell icon to receive notifications and stay updated.